Last week I spotted a nice trading position on New Zealand CAD Forex pair. I shared this trading setup on a live stream with my students and in my premium signals group. Though the price moved exactly as it was predicted, the half of the members did not manage to make any penny from that signal, while another half made a very nice profit. It happened because of one rare thing that I absolutely hate in trading. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and learn the major frustration in trading that no one will tell you about. First, let's discuss the trading signal that I spotted. That is how the trading position looked. I spotted a classic price action pattern, a double top pattern, and I was looking for a breakout of the neckline of the pattern. After its violation, we shorted the market on a retest of a broken neckline. And that is how the signal looked. Even though initially the market started to fall, you can see that the price did not manage to reach the take profit level and started to grow rapidly. Watching how the market started to move rapidly, I decided to close the trade on entry. After the market retested the neckline one more time, I closed the trade on broke even and I sent the signal to my group members to close the trade on entry. I felt myself quite sad because I did not manage to cash out from that trade. Later on in the evening, surprisingly, I started to receive a lot of thank you messages from my group members. Members said that they made a good profit with that signal. How could it be? I decided to anonymously ask the VIP group members how did they close the trade. More than half of the members replied that the trade reached the take profit level. Can it be possible? My take profit was not reached and the market low was quite far from the take profit level. That was the low that the price managed to reach, and you can see that my take profit level was 3 pips lower. Now let's examine that trading setup on New Zealand CAD pair on charts of different popular Forex brokers. Look at the price action on New Zealand CAD pair on different brokers. Here we have Wanda, we have FXEM, we have Forex.com, we have IC. And the point is that taking absolutely the same trade, opening absolutely the same trading position, you can see that we have completely different results. In half of the cases, the market perfectly reached take profit. We see a clear test of TP and even a bearish continuation lower. While in other half of the cases, the market did not manage to reach take profit. Here is a very significant difference in quotes in prices that we may notice. Why it happened? There are rare situations in Forex trading when the price action on the same Forex pair is very different on different brokers. It happens because different brokers have different liquidity providers, spreads, order execution methods, and so on. That is why the selection of a good broker is so vital in trading. By the way, I will leave the link to my broker in the description. If you use TradingView for chart analysis, make sure that you analyze different instruments of the same broker. Moreover, once you start trading a strategy, always check how the price acts on different brokers. If you see a lot of instances that your take profit is not reached, while on another broker it is hit, it will be a signal for you to change a broker. When I started trading, no one told me about this important nuance in Forex trading. I strongly believe that knowing that is a significant step in your trading journey. Let me know your in the comment section if you want to know more hidden nuances of Forex trading. Also, traders, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to watch my other videos.